All right, so in this video, we're going to convert these forms, is called point slope, into slope intercept. So write down slope intercept. So that's going to be y equals mx plus b, like that. Okay, so it takes 3 steps, and we're going to use the calculator. So make sure you have one of these calculators here. All right, so the first thing is like the pizza guy method, but it's easier. Okay, so this number and the x, you just write it down, 2x. That's it. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and do the next number, 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. I'm going to write that down. Oops, sorry. So it's positive, so put a plus 8. And then my last step is to get this number, and I'm going to go opposite. So I'm going to put, this is a minus 5, I'm going to put a plus 5. So for me to make it look like my y-intercept form, it's y equals 2x, and then what is 8 plus 5? All right, you get the positive 8 plus positive 5 is positive 13. And that's it. Okay, so your answer should be on the bottom of the paper. So 2x plus 13 is A. That's for number 1. So on number 1, I'm going to put A, and I'm going to scratch it out. Okay. The next problem, we have a fraction, we have some negatives. So remember, draw your line. That's the first thing. The first one is easy, all right? All you do is copy down the fraction, 2/3 x. And then for the next one, all right, we get to multiply it. So to get a fraction, you're going to push alpha x like that, and then you should get a fraction. So I'm going to put the 2/3. All right, move it to the side right here. Put times, we're going to multiply, and that's this right here, times. Now be careful, guys. This is a minus 9, so I need to put negative 9. This is the negative, and then this is the 9 right here. So this is what it should look like. All right, push enter. You get negative 6. So I'm going to put minus 6. Okay, and then whatever this is, all right, I'm going to go ahead. The opposite is minus 5. So I have negative 6 and minus 5. You need to add them together, guys. You need to combine the ones with no numbers. All right, add them. So it's going to be negative 6 plus negative 5, like that. You get negative 11. So my answer is y equals 2/3 x minus 11. So look at the bottom. 2/3 x minus 11, that's n. That's for number 2. So number 2, we put n, scratch it out, and then we just keep going. Now some of them are trying to trick you like this right here. So just put a negative 1, okay? I'm gonna multiply. So remember, no matter what, this negative and this number, or this number and the x, just copy it down, negative 1x, that's it. All I have to do is multiply negative 1 times negative 8. You get positive 8, so put plus 8. And then this number, what is the opposite of a positive 9? Minus 9, right? Always going to be opposite. So I'm going to put these two numbers, 8 plus negative 9, I get negative 1. So y equals negative 1x minus 1. This is your answer. So look for it on the bottom. So the way it's going to be is actually this one right here. Because remember, they don't put the 1, there's supposed to be a 1 right here. Negative 1 minus 1, that is this right here. So I'm going to put A on number 3. Scratch it out. And then we're just repeating the same process over and over. All right. Even when we have fractions, don't freak out, guys. Let the calculator do the work. Like look at number 12. All right, draw your line. Copy this down, the negative 12 and the x. Just copy it down. That's easy. Now I'm going to type in negative 12 like that times. To get the fraction, all right, I'm going to push alpha x, and then my fraction comes out. I have 5/6. So my answer is negative 10. And some people said, Mr. S, if I have the negative 10 and if I'm going to go plus 13, can I just put plus positive 13 like this? I mean, you can. I think that's confusing. I like to just, it's like a new problem. This one plus this one, right? So negative 10 plus 13, that's going to be positive 3. So y equals negative 12x plus 3. All right, that is this one. So on 12, you're going to put the b on 12. Stretch it out. And there you go. We're just going to finish the rest of it. Okay? Same process over and over. Use your calculator. All right? If you need help, raise your hand.